Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create my melody from Sanrio and Trust and Press for free. Okay, the outfit will look like this, and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, the first one guys, you can color your skin white and you're going to wear all these items and you're going to color it white for all the items. The skirt from the code items and the shoe and this item, this sweater and this flower from petal update. You can color the first selection white. Okay, the next one we're going to go to the hat area and then we're going to wear this hoodie. Okay, and you're going to color it pink. I'm going to show you the color code. Okay, this one. And then I'm going to go to this area and choose this beer hat. And we're going to color it with the same pink. Oops, sorry. Color it pink. And then you're going to go to the accessory adjustment and copy my adjustment. Okay, you can follow this adjustment for the position, rotate, and also the scale. Okay, now let's move to the next item. You're going to wear this hat and you're going to color it white. Okay, and then we're going to go to the adjustment and you can copy my adjustment. Copy this adjustment for the position, rotate, and also the scale. And the next one, we're going to go to this area again and pick this for a hat. And then we're going to color it white. And then we can do the accessory adjustment again. This is for the adjustment for position, rotate, and also the scale. Alright, and then we're going to select this ear warmer. This one. Oops. Okay, and then we're going to color it with the black color for the first selection and also the second selection, and go to the adjustment. Copy this adjustment for the position, rotate, and scale to create the My Melody eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the this area and we're going to grab this bunny ears. Oops. I'm sorry, I'm going to choose this bunny ears and then we're going to color it pink. The same pink for first selection and also the second selection. And then you're going to copy my adjustment. Okay, copy this one for the position, rotate, and also the scale. Okay, and then I'm going to choose flower. I'm going to select this flower and we're going to color it white for the first selection. And for the second selection, I'm just going to color it with this orange. And then we're going to do adjustment again. This is the adjustment, guys. Position, rotate, and also scale. All right, and then I'm going to choose the microphone on this one, and then we're going to color it with this color code. Okay, you can copy the color code and go to the adjustment. Use this adjustment for the microphone to create nose, position, rotate, and scale. Then you're going to wear this eye mask. You're going to color it white for the first selection, and for the next selection, you're going to color it black. And then copy my adjustment. Follow the adjustment for the eye mask to create the mouth. For the position, rotate, and scale. Okay, and then now it's time to put the last item. So we're going to go to the dressing room and then we're going to wear the new bunny ears from the Easter update. Okay, you're going to go to the code items and choose this bunny ear, and then you're going to color it pink. Wait, you can choose this pink for all the selection. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the adjustment. Okay, you can copy this adjustment for the position, rotate, and also the scale. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create my melody from Sanrio for free with accessory adjustment. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.